What is this, an old water park? Oh,
let's go to the water park, baby. Now, this, come on.
That's sick. That is the coolest thing.
Mr. Black.
Welcome to the channel. My name is Danny Black, and I love to react to cool GoPro footage. And I'm not alone. Joining me from the other side of the world is GoPro enthusiast Corbin Blanton. What's up, Corbin?
Danny Black, thanks for having me, man. I'm doing all right.
He makes some really awesome GoPro content on his channel. You should check it out. And if you are new here, welcome, and don't be a stranger. Click that button right there. Also, I'll put some links to some cool GoPro accessories and coupon codes down in the description, plus a surprise link. Corbin, you know I put some of your videos on my surprise links, right?
I actually came across that one day.
Oh, did you? Okay, sweet.
Yeah, I clicked that one and I was like, oh, look, it's me.
And also, this video has been sponsored by the one and only Artlist. I love Artlist and I use it all the time. The best website for free music for your videos, hands down. But more on that later on. Let's get to these GoPro clips.
All right, show me some GoPro videos, baby.
Well, he's got a 360 camera, it looks like. He's got the max.
Yep, vanishing pole.
See ya. Oh my gosh, that is a sick shot, dude.
Oh my god, that was awesome. With the waterfall and stuff.
What does he do with it? He's still holding his GoPro, right?
Yeah.
If you saw this guy like in a store, you would never think that this guy would be the kind of person that would do this. It's like Will Ferrell.
Exactly. I was just about to say that.
Whoa, what is this? Okay.
They're mounting it on an eagle. I mean, this is like the true meaning of a bird's eye view. And I mean, it's incredible. Look at that right there. Like, look at that.
How does it not affect his wing, like his flying?
Maybe it's had some training. Maybe it's had some GoPro training.
Now, listen, if you're interested in watching some of these clips yourself, the full clips, you can check them out down in the description. I'll put all the links to those down there.
This, I just thought, like, I've never seen somebody actually put one of these on a fish.
I actually did a reaction video and put this one in that reaction video.
Well, time to react again. This is something that I've always wanted to do, but never got the chance to do it. I didn't know how I could possibly get a fish that was large enough to put a GoPro on.
It's cool. The unfortunate thing to me is that the water is so dirty and murky.
Oh, I know.
If this was done in like the Caribbean or something like that.
That would be really cool. That was the fish eye view. Here's the next clip. We have the bird beak view.
This was like their big, like, I remember like every store that was selling GoPro, they'd have like, you know, the GoPro display.
Yes.
And like, you would always see this shot.
This is like a marketing point for them, I believe.
I think this was the shot that actually got me to buy my first GoPro back in like, it was like the 2014 was my first GoPro, the Hero 3 Plus Black.
The 3 Plus, yeah, I remember that.
Look at that.
I mean, they pretty much have both of the wings in the shot.
I mean, luckily it came back.
Yeah.
What if it just takes off, goes over to other birds like, hey, you got something on your beak. No, I'm vlogging.
I'm shooting this for my YouTube channel.
What? What's wrong?
This is just a compilation of animals just grabbing a GoPro and running away with it or something. Look at that.
No way.
There's another
Oh my
bird
gosh,
one.
I want to see more of that. Ooh, this is cool.
Look at that big teddy bear.
What, oh, a hyena? Oh, I love these when the dogs have them on a stick, end of a stick.
Oh yeah. That's awesome.
That's a cool shot. Oh, dude, the monkeys in like Malaysia or Indonesia.
Oh yeah.
Those things they steal everything.
There you go.
Yeah, that's it. That looks so cool. That's an old GoPro,
Yeah,
huh?
that looks pretty old. There's a GoPro inside this
That's a
alligator's mouth.
crocodile.
Or crocodile. I don't even know what. I don't know what the difference is, but.
Someone will tell us in the comments.
Oh, dude, I would never. Nope, you cannot pay me enough.
Wow.
I mean, I would ride a bike, but just not on the edge of a cliff, because I don't know, man. Not a big fan of heights.
It looks so much worse than it is, though. Like, you know, that GoPro gives you that like immersive view.
Yeah, that like.
But dude,
it's
somebody
crazy.
walks through that, you're screwed.
Oh, I
They're
know.
like somebody on their phone walking out, like texting,
Oh, dude.
like this person.
Yep. Just get.
He's flying. That is a cool shot.
That's really. Nope. Right
Nope.
there.
Yeah.
No way, dude.
That's so insane.
Look at how high they are.
Yeah. Like, this could be the end of your life if you do the wrong thing.
Yeah, I mean, who knows how high it really looks when you're there, but
it
man.
hurts my butt to look at.
It what? It hurts your butt.
I don't know why. I feel like I'm gonna fall. Oh, look at his shadow.
Oh
Look at
yeah.
that shadow he's got.
Oh man, I didn't even notice that over there in the corner. Look at that. It's like he's playing a game.
That game, yeah, that game with the little, you create the lines.
So like trail bike or whatever. I don't know what it's called, but yeah.
We interrupt this program to pay the bills.
Hey, sorry to interrupt, but I really want to tell you where I get my music. It's from Artlist. Whether you have a YouTube channel where you want to get that royalty-free music, or maybe you have a business where you just want to get some chilled out music like this, or maybe you want something with more intensity, Artlist has all of that and everything in between. I personally have been using Artlist on this channel for over a year now, and I can't stress how much time I've just saved, not just looking for royalty-free music, but just the fact that I don't have to worry about getting that dreaded copyright claim. So all I'm trying to tell you is to click the link in the description and just try it out. And they have a very new deal for creators right now. The license covers all of your social channels: YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, Twitch, podcasts, and TikTok. And you know what? If you're serious about making your channel legit, this is a really good place to start. And one of my favorite things about Artlist is the music doesn't sound like elevator music. Their music sounds like something you would hear on the radio. Just click the link down below and just give it a try. You can thank me later, but do it. Don't waste any more time. Go on, do it.
And now back to your regularly scheduled program.
So this is Abe Kisselbitz.
Oh, I love that guy.
Yeah, he works at GoPro.
That's a what? The text is so good.
It's just incredible how he edits.
That looks like someone's filming him.
I know. He's got it on the pole, so the beauty of a 360 camera is it causes the pole to vanish.
Look at that powder. Oh.
I mean, even the location. I mean, just everything about this is insane.
All right, we're gonna go to the next clip. This almost looks fake. It looks like an animation.
Yeah, did they shoot this with a drone or?
Yeah. Oh, you mean like a FPV? No, it's two planes.
Okay. Oh yeah, you're right, because they're way up there.
Would they be out the window, like mounted on a?
Maybe it's attached to the plane somehow.
But like it's panning around too. That's such a cool shot. Look at that. It looks fake to me.
Yeah, it's like animated.
I feel like I'm watching like a Pixar. It's like a Pixar movie or something. That's it for today's reactions. Thanks again, Corbin, for being here. I really appreciate it.
Hey, thanks, man. I appreciate you having me on.
What's next for your channel? Anything cool?
Lots of GoPro things, and
awesome.
I mean, spring and summer are coming up, so probably a lot of water sports. But
so, Corbin, do you want to sign this off for me?
Sure thing. Thanks for watching. See you next time.
Mr. Black.
Can we call you Uncle Blackie?
No,